Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our last alternate card using elements from the April 2026 Paper Pumpkin kit called Lakeside Retreat. So what have I got? I have got one of the card bases, and it's just the whole card base. I haven't cut it up. We've got one of the greeting die cuts, and I've stamped a happy birthday and dad on it from the kit, and I've stamped in Misty Moonlight. Then I had this piece left over, and I had already cut out this circle with the Spotlight on Nature set for another card and didn't use it. So this was from the kit. I cut them in half. And then I used the stylish shapes here to cut out some of the elements from one of the card fronts I had left. I'd cut the back of it off, so I had the card front left. So we're just going to build this card. I'm going to just pop these pieces down. I'm just going to place them so I know kind of what spacing I've got. So we'll do this like this. And I love how using these circles totally changes the vibe of the card. Kind of adds a little bit of energy to it. Just going to flat mount these down, and I'm going right into the corner and along the edge like that, and I just roughly cut them in half with my paper trimmer. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed it. So if they're a little bit out, it's no big deal because you're not kind of measuring them against each other. So then I'll just flat mount these. Again, right into that corner. Here we go. And last one. And then we can build the middle of the card. I'm just going to pop this down here. There we go. Now this I was going to place over here, but let's just see what that looks like. We put the canoe and some boardwalk, and then a couple of the little ones. Actually, I think I like this if we do this in the middle like this. So let's do that. So I'm just going to add some dimensionals to this piece. Okay, let's put those down like that. And I'm looking forward to doing my review video, my little short for Saturday, and you can see all of the different cards all together, and let me know which one is your favorite. So here goes, happy birthday, Dad. And I am a little bit crooked, so I'm just going to lift that up and squidge it around a little bit. I always check before I push down on my dimensionals. Okay, so let's dimensionalize these as well, just for kicks. Okay, and I'm going to use the edge of one of my mini dimensional packages here. Let's just cut some of those. And just pop a couple down on each one like that. I often say that most of my videos you get to watch me take the backing off things, and that's true for this one as well. So let's do this, and we'll pop another one on the back like that. Okay, so I'm just going to place these down so I kind of know where I want them to go. So that one's going to go there like that. Maybe overlap that a little bit. This one's going to go here like this, and then I can pop this piece of boardwalk just down here like this, and that piece of background like that. Okay, so that's how I'm going to put this together. And I've got some natural matte dots that I'm going to be adding as well. So we've got the canoe and the boardwalk. Here we go. And we'll just pop that down like that. And this one, I like the idea of this one going here because the boardwalk kind of looks like it kind of continues on. So that is that. So super simple card to build. I'm going to use some of these ones, and I'm just going to pop some down just around and about like that. And I think that's all I'm going to do with this one. So this is our last alternate card using elements from the April 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Again, stay tuned for the Saturday short where I review all of the cards made this week, and you can tell me which one is your favorite. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.